Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we'll compare between VMware and VirtualBox. So guys, VMware and VirtualBox is both widely used to virtualizations platform, each offering features and suited to different end user. So guys, needs VMware is renowned and robust performance and stability, and making ideal for enterprise environment and demanding workloads. And this VMware and VirtualBox guys will give you virtual private and virtual machine state integrate with seamlessly with VMware board ecosystem, and including VMware spare our scalable virtualization management. On the other hand, VirtualBox stand out open source and the software available for which range of operating system, including with Windows, Mac or Linux. So guys, use friendly interface and making accessibility for individual user or small organizations. So guys, VirtualBox offers essential virtualizations capabilities such as snapshots and supports virtual network. And VirtualBox depending your specific need and context. VMware preferred for enterprise-grade virtualization with robust performance and comprehensive management, and VirtualBox is favored by individual users and smaller. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Thanks for